If you want to duplicate a shot or a segment of a video, this is the way to do it. We're gonna open our app, we're gonna select one of our projects, and then we're gonna tap on edit. And once we're here, as you can see, I already have a video in my timeline. So let's say that I want to duplicate this segment right here where I'm moving my hand. So I'm just gonna make a cut right here, split, then let's say like right here, because I have another jump cut, I'm gonna select my timeline again and split it again. So once I have these two different cuts, and this is the segment that I want to duplicate, I'm gonna select it, just tap on it, and then go down here and duplicate, and then you're gonna have the same video 2 times. So this is 1 time and this is 2 times. So this is very helpful if you want to emphasize something, or you want to like make a different editing and having the same shot. This is the way to do it, and it's very helpful, and it's gonna improve your editing skills. So this is the way to do it. Just make sure you apply the splits, and that's it, and then duplicate. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.